In this video, let us discuss about identifiers in C language. Identifiers are names given to various program elements such as variables, constant, functions, arrays, etc. Consider this program segment. In this program segment, x, y, sum, and print are identifiers. X, y, and sum are name given to the variables, and print is a name given to a function. There are certain rules to name the identifiers. Identifiers must consist of only letters, digits, and underscore with no white space in between. For example, sum, it is a valid identifier. Roll underscore number is also a valid identifier since it consists of only letters and underscore. Average underscore of underscore 3 underscore num is also valid identifier. It consists of letters, digits, and underscore. Let us see some invalid identifiers. Total space sum, it is an invalid identifier because white space is not allowed in an identifier. Identifiers must always begin with either a letter or an underscore. 3 underscore factorial is an invalid identifier as it starts with digit. A valid identifier must always begin with either a letter or an underscore. Underscore factorial, this is a valid identifier. Identifiers are case sensitive. In the first case, R is capital, and in the second case, R and N are capital letters. Hence, these two represents two different identifiers. Keywords should not be used as an identifier. 4, it is an invalid identifier since 4 is a keyword. No special symbols are allowed except underscore. Total comma 3 is an invalid identifier as comma is not allowed. The only special symbol that is allowed within an identifier is underscore. You can choose any name as an identifier that follows the rule. However, it is better to give meaningful names to identifiers that make sense. If you have two identifiers x and sum, both are valid according to the rule. But x, it is a bad identifier, and sum, it is a good identifier because the sum conveys the meaning of the identifier, whereas x does not convey the meaning. So always better to choose an identifier that makes sense. Thank you for watching.